Spinach, Popeye's secret weapon. A humble green leaf that has been celebrated for generations, promising strength, energy, and vitality. As children, many of us laughed at Popeye's antics, imagining that one can of spinach could turn a mild-mannered sailor into an unstoppable force. But what if there was a kernel of truth behind the cartoon exaggeration? Could spinach really offer real cardiovascular benefits, improving blood flow, and supporting heart health in the way Popeye made it seem? Today, spinach is everywhere in smoothies, salads, wraps, and health blogs. It's hailed as a superfood, often praised for its nitrate content, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Advertisements and wellness influencers claim it can boost circulation, lower blood pressure, and even protect arteries from damage. It sounds compelling, but amidst all the hype, it's easy to wonder, what's science and what's just marketing? The real hero behind spinach's vascular reputation is nitrate, a naturally occurring compound abundant in leafy greens. Nitrates themselves are not the act of magic, but once consumed, they are converted into nitrites and then into nitric oxide inside your body. Nitric oxide is a powerful molecule that signals blood vessels to relax and widen, improving circulation and reducing the workload on the heart. It's like sending your arteries a personal maintenance crew, keeping them flexible, responsive, and able to handle the pressures of daily life. Without adequate nitric oxide, arteries can stiffen, blood pressure can rise, and circulation can become sluggish, creating conditions that contribute to heart disease over time. But here's the nuance most people miss. Eating spinach isn't an instant fix. The conversion from nitrate to nitric oxide takes time, and the full benefit is achieved through consistent, thoughtful consumption as part of a balanced lifestyle. It's not about gulping down a huge portion in one sitting and expecting superhero effects. Instead, it's about making spinach a regular, supportive ally for your cardiovascular system. Spinach also brings antioxidants, vitamin K, folate, and potassium to the table, all of which complement nitrate's effects. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing oxidative stress that damages blood vessels. Vitamin K and folate support endothelial function and reduce cardiovascular risk factors. Potassium helps balance blood pressure and supports the smooth contraction and relaxation of your arteries. Fiber in spinach further aids cholesterol management, helping to maintain clean, healthy blood flow. Together, these compounds create a synergistic effect that strengthens the vascular system over time. In this video, we'll explore all these aspects. We'll break down what makes spinach truly special, how nitrates transform into nitric oxide, and why this process matters for your circulation. We'll also address common myths and mistakes from cooking methods to portion sizes, so you can harness the full benefits without falling into common traps. Finally, we'll show practical ways to prepare and include spinach in your diet to maximize its heart protective effects. Because your artery don't need hype, they need knowledge, consistency, and care. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how a simple, leafy green, humble, unassuming, and packed with nitrates can quietly support your cardiovascular system every day if used wisely. If you're ready to uncover the truth behind Popeye's favorite leaf and learn how to use spinach effectively for circulation and heart health, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to MediMint and tap the like button. Every small step you take toward informed, evidence-based nutrition helps you and others create a healthier, stronger heart, one meal at a time. What's inside spinach that matters for blood flow? Spinach may look like a simple, leafy green, but it's packed with compounds that make it a powerful ally for your arteries. The star players here are nitrates, along with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that work together to support healthy blood vessels. 1. Nitrates, the key to nitric oxide. Nitrates are naturally occurring compounds in spinach that your body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule essential for vascular health. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens your blood vessels, improves circulation, and helps lower blood pressure. Think of nitrates as the raw material and nitric oxide as the finished product that keeps your arteries flexible and healthy. 2. Antioxidants protecting the vessel walls. Spinach is also rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and polyphenols, which act as antioxidants. These compounds fight oxidative stress, neutralizing free radicals that can damage your blood vessels and contribute to inflammation and plaque formation. 3. Vitamins and minerals extra support. Spinach contains vitamin K, which supports arterial health, and folate, which helps regulate homocysteine, an amino acid linked to heart disease when levels are high. Potassium, another nutrient in spinach, helps balance blood pressure by relaxing vessel walls and counteracting sodium. C. Fiber, the silent helper. The fiber in spinach aids in controlling cholesterol levels and supporting healthy digestion. It's an unsung hero in maintaining long-term vascular health, working quietly alongside nitrates and antioxidants. When these nutrients combine, spinach becomes more than just a green leaf. It's a vascular support package, ready to improve circulation and keep your heart healthy. How nitrates become nitric oxide and improve arteries. Now that we know what's inside spinach, let's explore how these compounds actually work inside your body to support vascular health. The magic begins with nitrates. When you eat spinach, nitrates are absorbed into your bloodstream and partially converted by bacteria in your mouth into nitrites. Once in your body, these nitrites are further transformed into nitric oxide, a crucial molecule for your circulatory system. Nitric oxide acts like a traffic controller for your blood vessels. It tells arteries to relax and widen, allowing blood to flow more freely. This improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, and reduces strain on your heart. 1. Relaxing and widening blood vessels. When arteries are flexible and dilated, your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood. This reduces the risk of hypertension and supports efficient oxygen and nutrient delivery to your tissues. R. Protecting artery walls. Nitric oxide also prevents platelet aggregation, meaning your blood is less likely to form clots that can block arteries. It helps reduce inflammation in the vessel walls, protecting against plaque buildup and atherosclerosis over time. 3. Supporting overall heart function. By enhancing blood flow and vessel flexibility, nitric oxide contributes to better exercise tolerance, lower cardiovascular stress, and long-term heart resilience. However, the effect isn't instantaneous. Nitrate-rich foods like spinach need to be consumed consistently, and the conversion process takes time. This is why daily habits matter more than occasional indulgence. It's a steady, cumulative benefit. Common myths and mistakes about spinach. Spinach is celebrated for its heart-healthy nitrates, but popularity has also brought misunderstandings. Let's clear up the biggest myths and mistakes so you can benefit fully. Myth 1. Eating spinach once a week is enough. Nitrate benefits are cumulative. Your body converts nitrate to nitric oxide gradually, so daily consumption, even a small serving, is far more effective than occasional indulgence. Myth 2. Cooked spinach loses all nitrates. Some believe cooking destroys nitrates completely. While long, high-heat cooking can reduce nitrate content, light steaming or quick sautéing preserve most nitrates. Raw spinach in salads or smoothies is excellent, but gentle cooking is also beneficial. Myth 3. More spinach means more nitric oxide. More isn't always better. A typical serving of 1-2 cups raw spinach per day provides sufficient nitrates. Excessive intake offers minimal extra benefit and can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners. Myth 4. Spinach can replace medication. Spinach supports vascular health, but cannot substitute prescribed treatments for high blood pressure, heart disease, or cholesterol. It's an ally, not a replacement. Myth 5. All spinach is equally beneficial. Fresh or frozen spinach retains nitrates and nutrients. Prepackaged mixes may lose potency over time, so choose high-quality sources and avoid prolonged storage. The takeaway. Spinach works best when eaten regularly, in moderation, and as part of a balanced lifestyle. Understanding these nuances ensures you maximize its circulatory benefits without overestimating its effects. How to prepare spinach for maximum benefits. Knowing spinach is good for your circulation is one thing. Knowing how to prepare it correctly is what makes it truly effective. 1. Raw spinach for maximum nitrate. Eating spinach raw preserves the highest nitrate content. Add it to salads with olive oil, lemon, or vinegar, smoothies with fruits like berries or banana, sandwiches and wraps for an easy nutrient boost. Raw spinach is convenient and keeps the compounds intact for nitric oxide production. 2. Light cooking is still beneficial. Quickly sautéing or steaming spinach can make it easier to digest without destroying nitrates. Sauté with a small amount of olive oil for 1–2 minutes. Steam lightly until just wilted. Avoid long cooking or boiling, which significantly reduces nitrate content. 3. Pair with vitamin C. Vitamin C enhances the conversion of nitrates to nitric oxide. Try adding lemon juice or orange slices to your spinach salad, red bell peppers or tomatoes in cooked dishes. This small addition amplifies the blood vessel benefits. 4. Avoid counterproductive combinations. Heavy frying or combining with processed meats may add unhealthy fats, offsetting the benefits. Excess salt can limit nitric oxide effectiveness. Focus on simple, fresh, and minimally processed recipes. 5. Portion and consistency. A daily serving of 1–2 cups raw or lightly cooked spinach is sufficient. Consistency matters more than quantity. Regular inclusion in meals ensures steady nitrate intake, supporting arterial flexibility and healthy blood pressure over time. Spinach isn't just a leaf, it's a vascular ally, especially when prepared thoughtfully and paired with complementary foods. Next, we'll bring it all together in Part 5, the real verdict, summarizing the true impact of spinach on circulation and heart health. So, after exploring spinach nutrients, the science of nitrates, the common myths, and the best ways to prepare it, what's the real takeaway for your heart and circulation? Spinach is not magic. It won't instantly unclog your arteries, turn back time, or replace your prescribed medication. But it is a powerful ally for your vascular system, one that works quietly, steadily, and cumulatively. The nitrates in spinach are the real star. When converted into nitric oxide, they relax and widen your blood vessels, helping your heart pump more efficiently and your blood flow more smoothly. This process supports healthy blood pressure, reduces stress on the heart, and protects your arteries from damage caused by inflammation and oxidative stress. But nitrates don't work alone. The antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in spinach, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, and polyphenols all contribute to maintaining flexible, resilient arteries. Fiber in spinach supports cholesterol management, helping to prevent plaque buildup over the long term. The cumulative effect of these compounds is subtle but meaningful. It's not about a single serving giving you superpowers like Popeye in the cartoons. It's about building a habit that consistently supports circulation and heart health. Even small daily servings like a handful in a smoothie or a salad add up over weeks and months, helping your arteries stay supple and your heart strong. Of course, spinach has its limits. Eating it inconsistently, overcooking it, or relying on it as a shortcut without a balanced diet and lifestyle will not deliver the desired benefits. It's not a replacement for exercise, sleep, stress management, or medications prescribed by your doctor. Instead, it's a tool. One piece of a larger puzzle that supports your cardiovascular system. The key is consistency, moderation, and preparation. Daily intake of 1–2 cups, raw or lightly cooked, pairing with vitamin C-rich foods to boost nitric oxide formation, avoiding over-processing or frying, which can reduce the effectiveness, combining with a heart-healthy diet, including vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Think of spinach as a quiet helper, a friend that works behind the scenes to keep your arteries relaxed and your blood flowing efficiently. It may not make headlines, but over time it can make a real difference in vascular health and overall heart resilience. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Your heart responds to patterns, not miracles. Small, consistent choices like adding spinach to your meals compound over time into meaningful health benefits. So next time you prep a salad, blend a smoothie, or cook a simple sauté, remember, you're not just eating a leafy green. You're supporting your heart, nourishing your arteries, and investing in your long-term cardiovascular health. If you found this video helpful and want more evidence-based tips for heart health and nutrition, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MediMint. By doing so, you help more people discover clear, science-backed guidance to care for their hearts naturally. Because your artery don't need hype. They need consistency, understanding, and care in spinach. When used wisely, is one of the simplest and most effective tools to support them every single day.